We have a goal of what we call 0365 inventory. The goal is for both new and used. New is a little bit tougher to get to, but used we managed to get there in our fiscal year 2024 ending. We had 365 day inventory. That's an accomplishment. I've been here 25 years. We haven't seen that happen yet. COVID certainly helped with manufacturers drawing back on production and a spike in demand. It certainly helped. We won't take all the credit for it, but we were diligent and we were focused. At the start of every year, we supply our regional sales managers with a list of inventory that's in their region, and we say, listen, we want you laser focused on making sure we figure out a way to clean through this by the end of our fiscal year. And yeah, happy to say in 2024, we achieved it. We got very close at the end of our 2025 fiscal year, which just happened in March. Unfortunately, we didn't get there, but we got very, very close. So that continues to be a priority for us. We're going to continue to focus on, making sure we're at zero, and hopefully someday we get new to zero as well. I would say some of the keys to what caused that was, again, our focus, making sure our people understand the company's strategy, making sure that they're in line with company strategy, but we also incentivize. That's part of the incentive packages for our regional sales managers. And then, of course, we discount, I guess, if you will, used equipment. We put our own discounts on it. If it's something that's been sitting around for 6 months and we have to make a move, we'll reduce the price to meet the marketplace. We don't wait around. We don't kick the can down the road and wait for the year to end and then say, what should we do for write-downs? We adjust as we go. So that certainly helps.